Your next car could be the 2009 Toyota Camry. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, intermittent wipers, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.